Welcome to the Brain Work Challenge. India is a land of mysteries, wonders, and a history that spans thousands of years. But did you know that this incredible country is full of surprises that will leave you speechless? Stay tuned, because we are about to reveal the top 10 incredible facts about India that will blow your mind. Varanasi, the timeless city, holds the title of the world's oldest continuously inhabited place. Varanasi is one of the world's oldest continually inhabited cities. Kashi, its ancient name, was associated with the kingdom of the same name of 2500 years ago. The lion capital of Ashoka at nearby Sarnath has been interpreted to be a commemoration of the Buddha's first sermon there in the 5th century BCE. India is the first country to discover and mine diamonds. Diamond was first discovered and mined in India. In Sanskrit it was addressed as Vajra, thunderbolt, and Indrayudha, warrior god Indra's weapon. Early descriptions of diamond date back to the 4th century BC, by when diamonds were a valuable material already. Cows hold a sacred status. Cows are revered and often associated with the mother goddess Gau Mata. They are considered sacred and a symbol of non-violence, prosperity, and nurturing. The respect for cows is deeply ingrained in many aspects of Hindu culture and spirituality. According to legend, cows have played a vital role in Indian rituals since the 4th century BC, largely due to the association with Lord Krishna, who is depicted as a cowherd in ancient epics. All cow-derived products, such as milk, curd, and ghee, are highly valued. Across India, there are numerous gaushalas, or cow shelters, dedicated to feeding and caring for these sacred animals. India has the highest number of vegetarians in the world. India has a high percentage of vegetarians compared to other countries, largely due to religious, cultural, and ethical reasons. Many people in India follow a vegetarian diet due to the influence of Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism, which emphasize non-violence and compassion toward animals. This cultural practice contributes to India having one of the lowest meat consumption rates globally. The widely known game, Snakes and Ladders, is India's gift to the world. India is renowned for being the birthplace of several classic board games, including the iconic Snakes and Ladders. Many of us have played various versions of this game without realizing its true origins. According to legend, the game dates back to the early 2nd century BC, originally called Mokshapat or Mokshapattamam. Another account suggests that the game was created by Swami Gyandev in the 13th century BC. It served as a moral lesson for children, illustrating the impacts of karma, destiny, and kama, desire. The British adaptation of the game, known as Chutes and Ladders, was published in 1943 by the Milton Bradley Company. India ranks third in the world for its large population of billionaires. Another remarkable fact about India is that it has the third largest population of billionaires in the world, following the US and China, according to Forbes World's Billionaires List 2024 of billionaires. Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries Limited, is the wealthiest person in Asia, followed by Gautam Adani, chairman of the Adani Group, and Savitri Jindal and family, of JSW Group. With over 200 billionaires and counting, India's billionaire count is truly impressive. India is the world's largest producer of spices. India is renowned as the world's largest producer of spices, contributing a significant share to global spice production. The country's diverse climate and rich soil make it an ideal location for cultivating a wide variety of spices, including black pepper, cardamom, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Indian spices are not only a staple in domestic cuisine but also a major export, with their flavors and aromas influencing culinary traditions around the globe. India's dominance in spice production is a testament to its agricultural expertise and cultural significance in the spice trade. Hinduism, the largest religion in India, is also the oldest religion in the world. Hinduism, the largest religion in India, is also considered the oldest religion in the world. It has ancient roots that trace back thousands of years, with its origins often linked to the Vedic period around 1500 BCE. Hinduism encompasses a diverse range of beliefs, practices, and traditions, and it has significantly influenced the cultural and spiritual landscape of India. The magnetic hill that seemingly defies gravity. Not many people are familiar with Magnetic Hill, but it's certainly one of India's unique attractions. Magnetic Hill appears to defy gravity, creating an astonishing optical illusion. Located about 30 kilometers from Leh on the Leh-Kargil highway, this intriguing spot attracts many tourists eager to witness its mysterious effects. When your car is in neutral, it will seemingly roll uphill instead of downhill. There are signs with instructions to help visitors fully experience the phenomenon. Various theories attempt to explain this unusual occurrence. One suggests that a strong magnetic force pulls vehicles upward, while another posits that the landscape creates an optical illusion by obscuring the true horizon, making the slope appear as though it's an incline rather than a decline. If you're planning a trip to Leh and want to explore the mystery of Magnetic Hill, the best time to visit is between July and October. Mystery Glacial Lake with Skeletons. Also known as Skeleton Lake, Roopkund is a unique high-altitude glacial lake situated in the Indian Himalayas. Located at an elevation of 16,499 feet above sea level in the state of Uttarakhand, Roopkund is renowned for the skeletons of hundreds of individuals found in its waters. This intriguing site draws tourists from around the world who are fascinated by its airy remains. Discovered in 1942 by British forest ranger H.K. Madhwal, the initial theory was that the skeletons belonged to Japanese invasion forces from World War II. However, carbon dating revealed that the remains are over 1,200 years old. The skeletons all exhibit similar head injuries, yet the cause of their deaths remains unclear, with theories suggesting a sudden hailstorm. Despite various hypotheses, the mystery of why so many people were at such a high altitude remains unsolved. The Roopkund trek spans approximately 53 kilometers and typically takes 5 to 7 days to complete. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you.